Hello, little learners. Are you ready to play the alphabet puzzle game? Let's go. Which one starts with the letter A? Apple, monkey, ball. Yes, apple starts with A. Which one starts with the letter B? Apple, ball, zebra. Yes, kids, ball starts with B. Which one starts with C? Cat, giraffe, octopus. Yes, cat starts with C. Which one starts with the letter D? Dog, banana, zebra. Yay! Dog starts with D. Which one starts with E? Elephant, fish, leaf. Yes, elephant starts with E. Which one starts with the letter F? Fish, lion, apple. Yes, fish starts with F. Which one starts with the G? Giraffe, dog, queen. Yes, giraffe starts with G. Which one starts with H? Hat, ball, tree. Yes, hat starts with H. Which one starts with I? Igloo, lion, jam. Yes, igloo starts with I. Which one starts with J? Jam, cat, apple. Yes, jam starts with J. Kids, which one starts with K? Kangaroo, rabbit, octopus. Yes, kangaroo starts with K. Which one starts with L? Lion, banana, cat. Yes, lion starts with L. Which one starts with M? Monkey, nest, fish. Yes, monkey starts with M. Which one starts with N? Nest, zebra, tree. Yes, nest starts with N. Which one starts with O? Octopus, cat, queen. Right, octopus starts with O. Which one starts with P? Penguin, apple, dog. Yes, penguin starts with P. Which one starts with Q? Queen, orange, duck. Right, queen starts with Q. Which one starts with R? Rabbit, ball, banana. Yes, rabbit starts with R. Which one starts with S? Snake, zebra, elephant. Right, snake starts with S. Which one starts with T? Tiger, lion, cat. Yes, tiger starts with T. Which one starts with U? Umbrella, violin, orange. Yes, umbrella starts with U. Which one starts with V? Violin, apple, drum. Right. Violin starts with V. Kids, which one starts with W? Whale, monkey, nest. Yes, whale starts with W. Which one starts with X? X-ray, apple, zebra. Correct. X-ray starts with X. Which one starts with Y? Yo-yo, violin, tiger. Yes, yo-yo starts with Y. Which one starts with Z? Zebra, cat, apple. Yes, zebra starts with Z. Great job! Wow, you did it from A to Z. See you next time. Bye bye.